Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Here's a brief disclaimer. Here's my contact details, more on that a little bit later. In today's AI Traders Live webinar, we'll be looking at the SP 500 index constituent stocks, and we're going to run the AI through it to find high probability trades using 4 particular AI trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. We use the Fulgent AI engine that's part of the Metastock platform, and we have these 4 AI strategies available us to cater for different type styles and different type investors and traders. Now, just to recap for those of you that don't know how the AI works, basically what the AI does, it does 10 to the power of 200, for example, possible indicator combinations using all the technical indicators in the Metastock database. Metastock platform's got loads of them, hundreds of different type indicators. It then takes these indicators and tests them and look for different type of high probability relationships by changing the settings each time and then running a test, come up with a new strategy, running a test, check how well it does. So that's kind of how the AI does this, and you would agree with me, you can't go and do 10 to the power of 200 possible different type technical indicators. So it's simply one of the best trading styles or stock scanning methods out there. The AI methods include neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic. So these are some of the artificial intelligence technologies that we use and that the Fulgent AI engine is using. Now, for example, let's say you have your MACD indicator with a particular settings that would make one node here. Now, let's say you want to add stochastics SMI and then Bollinger Bands on top of it, then you would have 3 little nodes like that. Now let's say the AI goes and changes all the settings for each one of your indicators. So it might find high probability trades using a various amount of different type indicators there, and then it identifies high probability trades which you never would have found simply because you don't have all that time to test and change the settings. So that's generally what it would look like using genetic algorithms, where the AI has now turned your little one MACD setting into testing that with all the other indicators, and then came up with high probability artificial intelligence trading strategies where it's combined and found the most optimum technical indicator settings to use. And that brings us back to the major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, the major market reversal is the looking for oversold conditions and cross-market indicator relationships, and gives us indication of potentially a major move coming. The other one is classic swing trades, where we look for really a reversion of the mean type swing trades. Volatility breakouts, also very successful for options trading, where you have unusually high volatility in the direction of the breakout. So this is also something very good to use. Quick 3-day moves, AI strategy was trained to maximize profits on 3 bars after the entry. So this is kind of the quick swing trades, also ideal for options trading. Okay. So in today's AI Traders Live, we'll be looking at the SP 500 index constituent stocks using artificial intelligence. Let's just jump straight into the AI. So I've got the Metastock Fulgent AI open. I've clicked under Explorer, the Fulgent engine, and I then clicked the SP 500 constituents, ran the scan, and it took about 15 minutes to run through the entire SP 500 to come up with some hot new AI generated trading ideas. There's quite a lot where there was a normal filter rejection, nothing recent in terms of that. And these are all the stocks where we have either a long or a short position in from an artificial intelligence perspective. The bars here give the indication how old the signal is. 8 bars into the trade, 6 bars into the trade, 160, so we can sort these from high to low. What we also can see from this scan is we know how successful this particular strategy is. And we know that also what the ID for this particular strategy is. So 105 is volatility breakouts, 104 is classic swing trades, and 105 is volatility breakouts. 100 is a major market reversal, so that's where the AI code is useful. The hits here gives you indication in the testing period how many times this AI signal fired, and what the average accuracy was. 66% over the testing period, 75% for the classic swing trade ones. The average profit per trade is 5.8% over the testing period. Average profit per trade for all the trades done over the testing period. So you can see quite good trade. So we can see here we have quite a lot of stocks that out of the SP 500. We're going to sort them from most recent to older type signals. We've got this one, Fortive Corporation, coming through with a signal. You can see that we've had some fantastic swing volatility breakout trades here. Quick move there, swing trades there, swing trades there, quick move there. Now another swing trade coming, so there's upside potential in it. Armcore, not sure. There we go. That one is working well. Classic swing trade. There we go, swing trade, you can see there, another swing trade, Phillips. Classic swing trade, huge, nice rally there. Another classic swing trade's coming, 2 days into a trade, Apache. 2 days into a trade, you can see the major market reversal coming, so there's potential upside there. We've had these major market reversal last time, gave a good signal as well. Baker Hughes, 2 days into a trade, swing trade, there we go, quick move, so it's worth noting that the upside risk there is up to the old resistance levels there, but you can see we've captured some really good moves historically on it. ConocoPhillips, 2 days into a trade, there we go, quick move, swing trade, fantastic. Corning, 2 days into a trade. You can see as it loads. Quick move, quick moves, vol breakout, quick moves. Another one, CVS Health, 2 days into a trade. There we go, swing trade. Capture this nice move, huge rally. You had to be patient. Took an entire month for it to work out. And there you go. Dollar Tree, the other one. 2 days into a trade. There we go. Dover Corp, 2 days into a trade. There we go, quick move. Edward Life Sciences, 2 days into a trade. So it's going to be a great week to see how these are going to do. There's quite a lot of new trades. If we scroll down, we can see there's a whole lot of 2 days trades, all fresh ideas. Lockheed Martin, Boston Scientific, there we go, swing trade there. Boston Scientific, also a whole list of new fresh ideas to add to the watch list. And we can see Copart, also classic swing trades, great. So we can see, and also some of the older trades. Northrop Grumman's been in there for a while. There we go, Nvidia, that's been in there for a long time, captured some really nice moves in Nvidia. You can see historically caught a really nice rally there. So these are the ones, the older ones, and then the most recent. So this is the list to look out for. So some great new, hot, fresh new artificial intelligence generated trading ideas. Okay, if anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own AI, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest3for1 to make use of the 3-for-1 promo. Get buy 1 month, get 2 months free. It's a limited time deal, so I would definitely jump on that. And then Fulgent AI, if you only need the AI, metastock.com/alphaharvestf if you've already got the Metastock platform. Like I say, the Fulgent AI runs on the Metastock platform. If you want everything together, go to that link. And if you already have Metastock, go to the Fulgent AI ID deal. But remember to mention Alpha Harvest F in the promo code. So these are in essence the whole list of new ideas. Sort them from bars most recent to older, and then you can start screening and find out if trade those according to your investment risk and risk parameters. But these are some of the hot new trading ideas in the SP 500 index constituent stocks. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.